Game artists are always looking for new ways to display their game content in their art tool. One of the reasons for this is, of course, simply that they don't want to keep going back and forth between the art tool and their engine just to see how things look. So as of 3ds Max 6, we allowed you to actually display your effects files that are created by your programming team directly in the Max viewport. With 3ds Max 7, we wanted to take it one step further and actually allow the artists to go in and create their own effects files out of simple materials inside of 3ds Max. So to do that, we're going to use this character created by Codemasters Software Company, and I'm simply going to open the Materials Editor. And in here we've got a standard Max material, which is currently on the monster. And if we look at that material right now, it's got a diffuse color map, we've got a map in the bump slot, and we've also got a DDS cube map for the reflection. All I have to do is simply say DX display of standard material, and that goes on, and then I just turn on the show and viewport switch, and now what you're seeing is an FX rendition of the Max standard material in the viewport. I can just spin around that so you can see it from all angles. Now I can go in and start to make adjustments to this. So let's say we wanted less bump. Let's take a look at what that'll look like. So I just turn that down. This is what it looks like with a 10 bump. Probably not enough, so let's go for a 70 as a good average bump size for this character. I can continue adding adjustments to this. I may want to put normal maps on it, adjust the opacity slot, maybe some self-illumination. Basically anything that your video card can support I can adjust here inside of the standard material. And then I simply go down and say Save as Effects File. Once this is done, you now have a working effects file that you can use to start development in your game.